If you're not prepared on the 14th of September, your business could see major disruption. If you're a Xero user and you're using direct bank feeds, there's a high probability that they could stop working on that date if you don't take action. And that's especially true if you're a BARCLAYS customer at the moment. Why is this? Well, it's changes to EU law regarding banking and we're moving to open banking. Basically, long term, this is a good thing as it will mean the banks share more data easily. Short term, however, there's going to be a bit of pain involved as we have to move over to the new feeds. So, how does this affect you? Well, it depends what type of feed you're on. There are two types within Xero, a direct feed and a third-party Yodely feed. First thing to do is work out which type that you're on. To do this, go into your Xero dashboard. If you can see a bank's logo, you're on a direct feed. If you can't see your bank's logo, you're on a third-party Yodely feed. And this is more of a problem. So, if you're on a third-party Yodely feed, this is basically an online screen scrape of your data. And from the 14th of September, that's no longer allowed, so that will definitely stop working. What can you do about it? Well, one of two things at the moment. Where possible, we want you to upgrade to the new direct bank feeds. If they're not available just yet, then unfortunately, for the short term, you're going to have to manually import your data. If you're on a direct feed at the moment, some banks it's going to be hassle-free and you'll move over without noticing. Others, you'll have to move to the new open banking channel. And this, as I mentioned, is definitely the case with BARCLAYS. Now, these new online feeds are going online at different times. A lot are going to be in August and September. So if you can be prepared and do it beforehand, there won't be any disruption. There are a few banks that are going to be a little bit later to the party, which will mean for a short period, you may have to manually import the data. Now, I'm going to put some links on to where you can find the information so you can see which banks will be affected and how. And if you are a UHY Manchester client, then I'll be calling you in the near future to make sure the transition is as smooth as possible and just know that you're in safe hands.